Lichens are mutualisms of fungi and algae, a perfect example of coevolution. They are long-living, they are slow-growing, from only 0.5 millimeter a year to about 0.5 meter a year. The lichen shown here is a rare species named Stricta fulginosa. It's a foliose lichen, found in Atlantic rainforests, like here in Cambrian wildwood. Also known as peppered moon lichen, it prefers wet, old-growth forest, so it's decreasing as the forests do. Lichens are a self-sustaining symbiosis. They don't take from what they grow on, but provide for each other. They do, however, rely on dispersal from birds, insects, wind. So is anything self-sustained in the end? There is a lot we can learn from their mutualistic behavior, something that couldn't exist without the other thing, a balance of giving and taking.